Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. Title of my today's video is Restating Results Anywhere Anytime in a LaTex document. In this video we demonstrate how efficiently some or all the results can be restated anywhere in a LaTex document earlier or later than their original positions, without actually retyping them. It is true that there do exist a few well-known packages which allow us to restate a result in a LaTex document. For example, packages like thumb tools, THMTOOLS, then rep theorem, etc. However, theorem tools doesn't allow us to restate a result earlier than its original position. On the other hand, rep theorem allow us to restate only one result. Maybe I am wrong, but at least I could not restate more than one result using rep theorem. We have developed some commands in the form of preamble which allow us to overcome these shortcomings, and my commands are: for repeating a statement, it is /repeated, then type of the statement, whether it is theorem, proposition, definition, lemma, corollary, whatever it is. Then this is mandatory. Then this level command is also mandatory. It should be same level. Same level means using begin repeatable. This is an environment. We make a statement repeatable, and then using repeated we restate it. So in the repeatable environment there is some we have to give some mandatory level, and that same level has to be written here so that this particular statement will be repeated. Then there is a optional name. In the original statement also there is optional name, may or may not be present, and this optional name also could be same as the original name, or it can be different also. We shall see in our example, but there are some restrictions in this environment. Repeatable environment, no blank lines are permitted. Okay, and also inside this environment, this for labeling items, equations, tables, etc., this label command should not be used. Instead of that, label with capital L should be used. Otherwise we will get a warning and also wrong results. So these two things we have to remember: no blank lines are permitted, and label command should be with capital L inside the repeatable statement. Label command with capital L can be written outside the repeatable statement also, there will be no problem, but inside the repeatable statement, a repeatable environment, it has to be capital L. Our text file may be downloaded from the link given in the description of this video. Let us now go to the overleaf page to demonstrate our whatever we have done in this connection. Okay, this is our overleaf page, and as you can see, this is chapter 2 of this document, and in this chapter it contains all original statements of all results, and this is the LaTex editor. So you see this is chapter results, all results, so it is all results. Then original statements. Now this is a definition. So as I informed earlier, as I told you earlier, this is that environment, repeatable environment. So repeatable DEFN I have defined in the preamble earlier. THM means theorem, prop means proposition, lem will be lemma, res means result, then DEFN is definition, and okay. So yeah, we are again here. So this is my definition. So it has printed. My def is the name of the definition, and this is my definition. It is printed, and number is definition number is chapter 2. 1.1, that is first section. Here I have not written any this one is that section. Yeah, section I have written already. I thought I did not write it. Okay, I have written it. 2.1, and then it is the first definition. So definition 2.1, and then this is a theorem. This is a theorem in our usual method, so it is not to be repeated. So ordinary, as usual, ordinary THM command works, theorem environment works. So I have used here. So this theorem is not to be repeated, but this theorem, the next one, is to be repeated. So again, begin repeatable. It's a theorem. Type of the statement is theorem. So THM, and level is main PRI. This is the level, and name of the theorem is primary. So name of the theorem is primary. In definition also, this first def is the level, and here main PRI is the level. Then this is the main theorem of this thesis. It says that some equation I have written x plus y equal to z, and you see the leveling I have done with the help of capital L. Okay, and here also, even though I am not going to repeat this theorem, it is not a repeatable theorem, but still I can use capital L, no problem. I can use small l, capital L, both, but here capital L is a must. Okay, and then next one is a repeatable lemma. So this lemma has a figure also. So this is where is that lemma? Yeah, this is the lemma. So this is a lemma. It says this is that figure, and then n repeatable. So this is that lemma. Then again begin repeatable proposition. So there is a proposition. In this proposition there is a table also, and in figure you see the number of the figure. It is figure 2.1, and this table is also number is table 2.1, and it is in the proposition. Where is that proposition? Yeah, begin repeatable prop. Okay, so maybe yeah. So here it is, type of the statement is prop, and level is one prop, and name of the proposition is my prop. Okay, and here also label I have used with capital L. Alright. So here in the original statement there are two equations, one inside a repeatable statement and another inside a non-repeatable theorem. These two are equations. Now what about chapter 1? In chapter 1 you see that this tables, figure, everything is printed, but number is not printed. Even this main result theorem, that primary is printed, but equation number is omitted. Now how it is done? It is done using like this. So this is begin document, main result. Yes, this is the main result. So main result, repeated statement. So this is first section. Now this entire proposition along with table is written with the help of just this small command. So repeated prop, type of the result is proposition prop, and name was the label was one prop. So I have written one prop. And then lemma. Now here you see the lemma in the original version. Yeah, lemma was this, and there was no name in this lemma. Label was there, label was main, so label was there. But here in this case, this lemma gets a name, and its name is repeated without proof. So here I have written repeated without proof. In the earlier case, in proposition, no name was required, so I did not write square bracket. But if I want a name, then I have to write square bracket. Let's see here. If I keep the square bracket blank, then the original name will be printed. But if I write something new in the square bracket, then that new thing will be printed. For example, you see the same theorem appears twice here. One as a main result, but theorem becomes result. So here this also, earlier it was theorem THM. So if you want to write res result, so theorem becomes result. Earlier it was primary, name of the theorem was primary, but now it has become main result. Okay. So the same theorem has been repeated thrice, 3 times. Now what are the differences? Second one is same as before. No, not yeah. Second one is same. This one, this one is same. Theorem 2.13. So here also it is theorem 2.13. Where is it? Where is theorem 2.13? Yeah, this is the one. So theorem 2.13 primary. So when you get it gets repeated 2.1.3 primary. Okay, but next one the primary word is removed, and the first one primary is replaced by main result, and then theorem numbers are preserved. It is from chapter 2, even though it is appearing in the chapter 1, but it is getting number from chapter 2. Then definition was here somewhere in the chapter 2. Where is it? Yeah, definition was first definition, but it has appeared last. So wherever you write repeated, it will be printed there. And then this labeling can be used for reference also. So ref main PRI is a good result. So it is talking about theorem 2.1.3, this one, and its equation number is this one. Its equation number is 2.1.2. Here you don't see the equation number, but you will be seeing the equation number in its original position, 2.1.2. Then table 2.1 is a table, so it is appearing here, table 2.1, but in the beginning there is no number here. So in the repeated situation, no equation number, no table number, no figure number, but theorem number, proposition number, all these are preserved. Okay. Then similar thing you can do later also in the third chapter. So the second chapter is the original chapter. Third chapter is again repeated. That means after the original. So first chapter is before the original. Third chapter is after the original. So here also everything is repeated as usual, as before. So again the similar commands are written, repeated, and all this thing. This file you can download, and you can also try yourself. Then only you can see, you can appreciate it. Thank you for watching the video.